Alright, welcome to this recap vlog where we're going to be going through our recent CSharp event. So pretty much started a few weeks back where we promoted 2 events, one virtual, one in person, all in the same week. Alright, so here we are, first of 2 of our events we're running this week. Shout out to Marlon really doing the session. I'm just here facilitating. He's just going through the code base. Obviously, if you want to know exactly what we're doing, you've got to come to the next one. But anyway, here's Hanifa going through some of her code, one of the participants. Here's Marlon giving her some feedback, ways to improve, and some challenges if they want to take this forward. Really good interactive session from the crew. So shout out to the participants here. And here's me just wrapping it up, thanking them for coming on to the call and just promoting some things we have coming up next year. So if you want to know that, you know what you need to do. Okay, so 2 days later and an overdue shave, we are back into the building. You can see me pushing the trolley full of food. If you knew the battle I had to do just to get this trolley into the building, yeah, that's another vlog. But anyway, we are here in the building. Got to do a few things and set up a couple things just before the facilitators and the people start coming in. You can see the food on the table. Don't say you don't get fed here. All right, so we've got people coming in, kind of warming up before we actually get started with the event, getting some food and drink. All right, so now we're getting started with the event. Got a little bit of an icebreaker here, just getting to know people into the crowd, warming them up a little bit because Lord knows it was cold outside. So we've got a few people just giving their introductions, what they're hoping to get from this session. Then we're actually just getting into it, some data types, some theory, practical stuff, some hello world, if you know, you know. Then we're actually getting them to actually do some coding themselves, follow along. Then I get my hands dirty too. You can see me here just showing them in real time. Thankfully, all went well here and we're able to run through relatively smoothly. Here's me giving them some challenges that they need to do themselves. Here's a little bit of a 360 or 180 or whatever of them actually doing the code themselves, getting our facilitators to help when needed. Oh, okay, here we go. We've got an O'Reilly book, so you know what that means. It means our tech book giveaway with our classic quiz. These are always competitive, so it's always fun to see people reacting, getting stressed out. But anyway, shout out to the winners of the event. It's always fun to see. All right, here we go. This is post-event, people doing some networking, talking. And here's a few people just giving us some feedback. Maybe I'll drop it at some point. We'll see. Anyway, that was it pretty much. Shout out to the crew, the audience, facilitators as well that made this event pretty lit. But I'll be honest, at this point, I was like, I'm ready to go home. So this is it. This is me signing out, saying thank you. If you want to follow along, feel free at Skillstruct, and peace.